Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to use the Spotify Equalizer. So if you still don't know where the Spotify Equalizer settings are, you'll find out in this video. Before I start, I would like to ask you to help me by subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. This will give me enormous support. Let's get to the video. Let's open the Spotify app and we'll show you where the equalizer is. We have already entered Spotify. The first thing you will do on the home screen is click on your profile photo, which is in the shape of a circle in the top left corner of your screen. We'll open these three options, and you click on the last option in Settings and Privacy. Here is the Spotify settings screen. You will look for the equalizer option. We find the equalizer option. Click on the option and activate the equalizer. Note that there are many tools for you to adjust according to the song and the genre of music you are listening to. And if you do not want to select a specific genre of music, you can adjust directly using these controls that are in the middle of the screen. So we have two ways of configuring the equalizer, which is manually changing these settings, or setting the specific music genre of the song you are listening to. Whenever you open Spotify and leave these equalizer settings saved, automatically when you open it again, the equalizer will be working. If you want to disable the equalizer, just go to the right corner of the screen and deactivate the equalizer option. Once this is done, it will be turned off. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you next time.